Welcome to my channel, the TYRO 79. I've shelved the standard Eachine LiteRadio control for this and I've hooked it up to my Radiomaster, so I'm going to see how the 79 fares flying around with a proper radio with a bit more power. I'm going to see if I can get some more range out of it. Link down below with all the text and specs and previous information and flight of this unit. It's a little cracker. Great to start with, guys, if you're just looking at getting into the sport. This is the quad for you. You can fly it in your backyard or you can fly it in the oval. You can fly it anywhere. You can fly indoors, be careful though. Standard XM Plus receiver on, no crossfire here, guys. Macro mode. We'll do a line of sight afterwards. Standard trend on this, guys. I haven't done anything to it. And as usual, we'll just go for a hook around the oval here. Check out that VTX. Colour's not too bad. A little bit undersaturated in areas. Doesn't like the sunlight. And we've got a bit of wind here. I'm just going to need to be careful of that. Let's just go down here. A little bit of interference, bit of noisy on the screen. VTX, not too sure what's going on there. And that's the sun over there. So 200 milliwatts is more than enough to get you into trouble, that's for sure. Oh, it's really windy now, guys. I'm just going to have to, excuse me, let's just get down here. Like I said, guys, a heck of a lot of fun. If you are just learning the sport, this is a really good place to start. Reasonably inexpensive. And lots of spares available should you come into grief and have a crash. Which I have actually done, believe it or not. Comes with two 3S lipos, which is really good. Let's just see how far we can push it with that VTX. I think that's far enough. Alright, I'll do a bit of a height test here. Let's get above the centre of the oval. And not terribly sure what happened then, but it didn't feel very good. Okay, alright. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a bit low on power now. Facing into the sun isn't doing us too much good. Okay, let's head home because I think we're getting low on batteries. The power supply's going down. Let's bring it home. Go on angle mode. Finish off with a bit of line of sight. Nice to fly with the Radiomaster, guys. Absolutely, like everything is. This is a good little unit. I think we're getting low on power. In fact, we are. Don't want to puff out my lipo. Have a quick look at it flying in front of us there, and we'll call it quits. Cracking good fun, cracking good price. The TYRO 79S. Check out the links below if you want a fabulous little starter kit. It's all there for you. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you like it or you have one. Any questions or anything, drop them below as well. I'll get straight back to you. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll see you next video when the sun's shining again. Catch you later on. Bye for now.